India's second test at Adelaide has exposed Rohit Sharma's struggles, not just as a captain but also as a batter. After a disappointing day 1, Rohit Sharma's decisions on day 2 only added fuel to the already existing fire. Australia ran away with the game in the morning session itself, scoring 105 runs with no real pressure from the Indian side. Despite Bumrah taking early wickets, Rohit's puzzling decision to remove him just after 4 overs raised eyebrows. If that wasn't enough, Ashwin, India's key weapon in Adelaide, was introduced only after 14 overs, even though his success with the new pink ball is well documented. Add to this decision was backing Harshit Rana as the third seamer, who leaked 38 runs in 5 overs. And it was clear that Rohit's field placements also lacked clarity. But is Rohit Sharma's form with the bat that's making things worse for him? The Indian captain once again failed at number 6 in the second innings. Coming in after Shubman Gill was dismissed by a beauty from Mitchell Starc, Rohit got an early lifeline. Starc trapped him LBW on just his second delivery, but Rohit was saved by a no ball. A lucky break, yes, but what followed only highlighted his lack of confidence. Pat Cummins soon found Rohit's outside edge, cleaning him up with a delivery that hit top of off. Rohit walked back for just 6 runs of 15 balls. This came after he was dismissed for a mere 3 runs of 23 balls in the first innings. Plum LBW to Scott Boland. Rohit's poor numbers tell the story. In his last 12 test innings, he has managed just above 200 runs at an average of 20.2. With only 1 half century, dropping down the order hasn't helped him either. Instead, it has backfired completely. It's no secret, when a player struggles with the bat, it starts to affect their mindset as well. And for Rohit, that could be creeping into his captaincy. Questionable field placements, delayed bowling changes, and indecisiveness. These signs all point to a leader under pressure. If Rohit doesn't step up soon, both as a captain and as a batter, India might face an uphill battle in the Border-Gavaskar series. Can Rohit Sharma rise from his slump? Or is his test captaincy in danger? Let us know in the comments below.